Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are a student, a researcher, or a professional who needs to write essays, research papers, or any kind of structured content, this video is for you. Today I will show you how you can use Textero AI, which is a powerful AI essay writer that's built specifically for academic writing. It can help you create well organized, citation checked essays based on your own uploaded sources. Plus, it even has tools for editing, paraphrasing, and checking the structure of your work. In this video, we will go step by step through how you can use Textero, what are its features, and I will give you the most honest review at the end. Now, as always, all of the important resources that are used in this video are linked down in the description box below. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So first of all, we will start by signing up at textero.io. For that, you can either click on the link that is given in the description, or you can use the search bar in your web browser and search for textero.io. Once you are on this page, the first thing that you need to do is to simply click on this start writing for free option, and then you will be landed on this page. Over here, you can either sign up with the help of your Google account, or if you want to continue with your email address, you can also do that. So here you need to provide your name, your email address, create a strong password for your account, fill out this captcha code and verify it. Then click on the get started option in the bottom. Now, as soon as you click on the get started option, your account will be created. Then it is going to show you this type of pop-up where you can directly generate an essay. But we will come to this part later. Over here, the dashboard of textero.ai will look something like this. This is the area where you can generate your essay by clicking on this generate my essay option. Now, if you want to create a document here, simply click on create a document, and document editing mode will be active here, which you can utilize in your essay. Now, all of your documents that you have created will be in your My Documents section. If we click on the My Library option, it includes all of the media files that you have uploaded over here. Next, we have the option of detection. So with the help of detection, you can plagiarize your essay. It will check whether your essay is original or is plagiarized. If you want your essay to be humanized, basically if you want it to make it AI free, you can use the AI detector tool as well, so that your essay sounds more like a human. If we talk about the writing tools, you can click on writing and you can paraphrase your essay, you can summarize it. You will also get the citation generator option, essay grader, essay topic finder, grammar checker, and much more. You can even use Textero for your Chrome, and in order to do that, simply click on this option and it will redirect you on this page. Over here, click on the add option and you can add its extension, and whenever you are reading any essay, you can copy that and you can use in your essay creation program. Now, if we come back on this page, simply click on the create a document option, and here you need to provide the essay topic. You can also just describe your project or any kind of extra instructions for the AI. Here, if you want the pages, like 10 pages in your essay, it should be mentioned over here, and one page is equal to 1 credit. So most of the time our essays are 1 or 2 pages, so you can just select that. If you have any sources of that essay, you can also provide the link here. If you don't have any resources, you can just click on the no sources option and then click on the generate option. So it actually reads and understands your document, then uses that information to write the fact-based essays with real in-text citations. You can also choose the word count, the citation style, and even the tone before generating your first draft. So here, let me just give it a topic, let's say global warming, and in the instructions I don't have much of instructions, so you can just provide that and click on the generate option over here. Now the process will take 2 minutes, so till then we can just talk about their upgradation plans. So click on the upgrade to premium, and over here you can use it absolutely for free, but with some limitations, like you are going to get 2 credits every single day, with the help of which you will be able to generate 2 essays. but if you want to use it unlimited, it will cost you $8.33 per month if you apply for the annual plan. So if you want to apply for any of the plans, simply click on the get started option over here, select your payment method. It can be card and any bank that you want to use. If you have any coupon code, you can apply here and you can basically subscribe for their paid plan if you are often using the platform for your writing. Now if we go back to the my document sections, as you can see over here, it has created a beautiful essay for us, and this is the essay which you can export. In the top it will show you the number of words that are used in this essay, the detection. For detection you can use whether it is AI generated, or you can even check for it for the plagiarism. Let's say I want to check it for the plagiarism, so the estimation time is 1 minute. So by the time it is doing, we can see how we can export this particular essay. For exporting it, simply click on the export option in the top right hand corner. You can export in the form of a Word document or a PDF. So you can select any of the formats here and click on that, and there you go, your essay is now ready. Now you can use this essay to submit anywhere. So if we talk about what I like about this particular platform, so it is quite easy to use. It has very easy and clean interface. It is specifically built for the academic writing, as I said earlier. So you can go ahead and start using it. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.